Hello everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm your host, Aaron Herman. We're here at New York Comic Con at the Javits Center, and this is the place to be to bring your characters to life. This festival is great because people really bring their imagination to life, and it's incredibly friendly. Dress up, in different types of comic characters, TV shows. You have different types of merchandise here, toys, shirts, some toys that are exclusive to Comic-Con, and we're going to give you a closer look at what Comic-Con has to offer. As you can see, Comic-Con is truly a unique experience, and each year just gets bigger and more interesting. This is Aaron Herman. Thanks for watching.